We're actually in a pretty nondescript office park in Irvine, California. There is not a financial firm in sight. Most of the other businesses that are here are education companies. So let's go inside. Mohnish has amazing photographs of his heroes everywhere. It's like a reminder of who he's emulating. We've got two photographs of Charlie Munger and a great portrait of Warren Buffett over here. Another one of Mohnish's heroes, Mahatma Gandhi, who wrote an incredible autobiography.
This is my wall of mostly Munger and Buffett letters and notes, and we've got a few others over here, so just odds and ends over the years, which I've just kept and enjoyed receiving. Any pictures I find interesting, I will tend to just, if there's wall space, put it up. This is the bedroom. You know, I actually take a nap every afternoon, and so it works out great. So we basically have long histories of annual reports, and it makes the research easier when we're looking at, you know, a business, and we can go back and look at several years. And basically what happens in many of these companies is you really cannot get the reports, which are really old, anymore. And I actually like to read everything hard copy, so I actually prefer the actual original document issued by the company.
A question to you. You can't keep every annual report, so how do you choose which ones you want? Because you don't have...
No, the thing is that we do keep all the annual reports for which we bought the share. We bought the one share. And they're not, it doesn't take that much room. I mean, I think this is not all of it, but this is probably 80% of it.
Yeah.
So it doesn't take that much room. So this wall right in front of me here is businesses that we used to have a stake in, and we've exited fully, and we made money. You know, we actually had gains in all of these businesses, so things worked out well. So that was good. And then if you just follow me here, we have a smaller number of plaques here, which I think is good because these are the businesses where we had permanent losses of capital. This is our wall of Berkshire Hathaway annual reports. They're all identical for more than, I think more than 40 years. Just follow me in here. This is just odds and ends of shareholder credentials at the Berkshire meetings. So the office, you know, I've just tried to make it a relaxed atmosphere, make it a fun atmosphere, and you know, take it from there. So.